Okay. I don't know, shit. So this is Four Strong Winds. Who's this by? Originally, gosh, it might be Neil Diamond. I don't know for sure. I know it from Johnny Cash, but on his American recording albums in the 90s, the 5 albums that he did of all these covers. But looks like I'm doing a capo 2. Four Strong Winds. It's pretty darn mellow. I know I say that in all the videos. I got a couple that are not as mellow coming up, but they're just a nice way to start the morning or the evening, I guess, as it is tonight. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All these things that won't change, come what may. Well, our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go a-working for. Yet I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All these things that won't change, come what may. Well, our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll be right with you. If I get there for the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, and not much for you to do, and the winds could sure blow cold away out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All these things that won't change, come what may. Well, our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. That's it.